I would like to draw an attention to my participants and I would like to invite them as feel appropriate. So let's look at what Vietnam can potentially draw from Indian business community. And I could see all three big Indian corporate houses joining me on the panel. So for big corporate houses, there is enough capacity within their institutions or firms like us to complement and make them choose locations like Vietnam or within a particular project in Vietnam. Maybe I may draw your attention, especially His Excellency Mr. Chan, His Excellency Dr. Sethi, Madam Ha. How about we bring a focus to Indian SMEs? And if I may draw your attention to make Indian SMEs use Vietnam as a launching pad for global business, especially the Indian companies who are doing business in India and using the power of Vietnam, especially the FTAs, especially the gate infrastructure, what you have created, the ease of doing business elements. Why can't we use that as a trigger to create an excitement in the minds of the Indian SMEs to come and invest in Vietnam? For example, the SME law. The SME law, to my mind, what I can see is quite good. You are talking about tax support, you are talking about simplifying accounting procedure, talking about access to credits, credit guarantee funds, SME development funds, R&D, technology. So these all initiatives which you have taken in Vietnam to assist SMEs. And if this can be communicated well to Indian SMEs, especially focusing on tier 2 locations, tier 3 locations, where the SME has a limited exposure of overseas market, I think you can generate a lot more leads. For example, I mean, I had the opportunity to work with Dr. Sethi in his previous position when he was in Italy and when he was in Delhi also. So we could able to do a lot more interesting work in that space. And maybe, sir, with you in Vietnam and Mr. Chan in Delhi, how about we conceptualize something called an SME business corridor, wherein it's not only Indian enterprises from the micro, small, and medium do business with Vietnam, and at the same time, Vietnamese firm can also take benefit of the large Indian market, what we are offering. Now, India is much more than a local market. With the Atmanirbhar program, what Government of India has launched, we are enabling or keeping us ready to become a global value chain supplier. So I think it could be a dual play for both the sides. Vietnamese companies coming and taking a pie of the Indian business, supplying within the economy, and most importantly, Indian corporates, especially the SME, using Vietnam as a launching pad for global business. And some programs such as investor help desk, query management kind of a program, access to lines. Most importantly, the very basic, this virtual platform, I think made our life much easier. I can see our count has gone up to more than 100. So 100 people were listening to us and repeating these kind of virtual platforms engagement with specially targeted audience of tier 2 enterprise, talking about focus clusters. It's easy, it's simplified, you don't have to travel all the way, and educating them about the benefit of doing business, creating those discussion corridors will really help us.